Okay, so for the past theory, what we're going to do is use planning and self-reflection to teach our students to become better at math computation. So you're probably not going to use this with all of your students at one time, but your students who are having a difficult time with planning out the right steps to use, or students who are having a hard time self-monitoring whether or not they know the material. So you're going to put students into small groups and you're going to lead in self-reflection. So you can use basic math computation worksheets for whatever skill you're really working on. So like multi-step multiplication, um, regrouping, things like that. But essentially, what you're going to do is you're going to put the kids together and you're going to ask them a series of questions. So as you're working, you can say, um, what do you notice about this problem that's different from the other problem? Or what could you do to make this a little bit easier? Questions like that, where you're really leading them to think about what they're actually doing throughout the process. So then, as you go, what you're going to do is have those students verbalize as they're working through the problems. So, after you've done the discussion, have students volunteer or voluntold them to model those questions as they go. Once you're finished with that grouping, then that's when you can progress monitor and then continue that work as you go with different groups. And here's where you can incorporate some kids who maybe do a better job of verbalizing to help model that for other students. But you want to do this in small chunks over a period of time.